Using social media Part 4. LinkedIn. Too many photographers dismiss LinkedIn as their digital Rolodex of professional contacts or a place to showcase a digital resume. It's actually a great place to nurture both online relationships and strengthen in-person relationships, which can help you create stronger connections with both leads and potential business partners. Considered a professional network, LinkedIn specializes in business-to-business, B2B, relationships. Business decision-makers and industry leaders come here to engage with each other and companies sharing relevant and useful content in their industry. This is why it is the top choice for B2B, focused business owners, with 97% choosing to distribute their content on LinkedIn. And according to their statistics, in the B2B realm, half of the referral traffic coming from social media is driven by LinkedIn. There are 675 million professionals on LinkedIn who come to the platform for industry news, advice from experts. According to the Pew Research Center, 27% of all Internet users, both male and female, use LinkedIn. LinkedIn users are active and engaged, with nearly 47% of them logging in every month. This makes the platform a great place to share new, relevant content and interact with the content others are sharing. While your ideal client does not need to be an influencer within a Fortune 500, the fact that decision-makers and influencers with senior positions in a company are using the platform daily means that LinkedIn is a hotspot for lead and referral generation. LinkedIn tends to be very heavily B2B, focused by its nature, and therefore, if your business operates on a B2B business model, it will be easier to integrate LinkedIn into your marketing mix. Does this mean that a B2C business can't find success on LinkedIn? Absolutely not, but with a B2C model, your focus will be more on developing a strong referral network via vendor relationships rather than marketing directly to a consumer. By attending industry events and finding business owners who have venues or who are wedding planners, DJs, and videographers, you can connect with them on LinkedIn. Then, by nurturing those relationships online and in person, you can still create a strong network of businesses that refer clients to one another. LinkedIn offers both personal profiles and company pages. LinkedIn can act much like a professional portfolio to showcase past projects and skills, and a well-optimized profile can help make a great impression. Setting up your profile. You will want to start with your name and headline. Just as with Facebook, LinkedIn prefers that your personal profile represents you. Not having a photo can be a big red flag and can signal a lack of professionalism. As with other social networks like Facebook, your LinkedIn photo isn't just visible when people click on your profile. More than with any other social network, your LinkedIn photo should represent you at your professional best. Social media LinkedIn. Your introduction card. Some of the information on the introduction card can be edited, and some of it pulls from other areas of your profile. At a glance, it will give users an idea of your name. This is how other users will find you on the network. Profile photo. This is the headshot that will represent you on LinkedIn. Background photo. LinkedIn launched the background photo in 2014 as an answer to the Facebook cover photo. Headline. This 120-character field is where you are able to describe what you do and entice users to click on your profile. Current position. Pulled from your most recent position listed. Education. The school you attended. Location. This is the greater metropolitan area you live in. Connections. A count of connections you have in your network. Contact info. This shows the URL of your profile on LinkedIn and the email address you can be reached at, plus your website and other social links if you add them. Summary. This is your chance to say hello and let visitors to your profile know more about you from an in-depth perspective. If you're struggling to write about yourself, check out this LinkedIn blog post about well-written summaries. Social media LinkedIn. Creating a page for your photography company. The company page on LinkedIn acts as the voice of your business, much as your business profile does on Facebook. Just as with Facebook, in order to have a company page on LinkedIn, you must have a personal profile with your real first and last name. It's important to differentiate between real people and organizations. LinkedIn allows members to share through a number of different post types. 1. Posts. Text limit is 1,300 characters. 2. Longer form articles. When you publish an article, it becomes part of your personal profile and is displayed in the article section there. 3. Photos and videos. The file size limit is 5 megabytes, and the recommended minimum size is 552 times 276 pixels. 4. Documents file must be under 100 megabytes and less than 300 pages. Keeping in mind that LinkedIn is a professional network, the tone of what is shared will be different from other social networks. Remember, professionals are there to learn, share relevant news, and be inspired by one another. When planning your posts, make sure that what you're sharing offers real value to those in your industry and network. Using eye-catching visual images helps to get people engaged, and replying to those who comment on your post is a good way to keep the conversation going. Here are some ideas for what to share. 1. Blog posts. 2. Updates from your company. 3. Industry news. 4. Research relevant to your industry. 5. Quick tips or inspiration. 6. In-depth how-to posts is according to recent research, LinkedIn posts between 1,900 and 2,000 words perform best. 7. Relevant photo updates, and remember to keep the images professional. Photos from industry events are a great idea. Social media. LinkedIn. Building your LinkedIn network. For the solo photographer or small studio on LinkedIn, the line between their personal profile and their company page can become slightly blurred. However, having a company page gives you access to things like analytics, which will give you deeper insight into what you're sharing and its relevance for your audience. Focus on creating exclusive content that's shared on your company page to help followers keep up with your business news and keep them coming back for more. While you're working on growing your company following, research competitors and other companies in your niche. Like Facebook, LinkedIn has rolled out a feature called Companies to Track within its analytics, which we will also discuss in a future post, that lets you keep tabs on other companies. Social media. LinkedIn groups. Like Facebook, LinkedIn offers groups as private forums to connect with others within an industry or niche. Within these groups, you can share content and updates and engage with others' content as well. By joining relevant groups, you can add your voice to conversations that are relevant to your industry or niche, as well as expand the reach of your content beyond your own network. LinkedIn is all about building relationships. Used properly, it can be an important network to help you form and deepen meaningful professional connections while connecting with potential customers, peers, and future business partners. By optimizing your presence and showcasing your expertise, you can stand out as a leader in your industry and build trust with your community. Now that you have set up and optimized your LinkedIn profile, you will want to build your network.